very busy morning in the weather department, and it looks as though the most heavy showers seem to be heading towards the east right now.
Yeah, that's good news. So over the mid to late morning hours, we will start to see some improvements, first in our western suburbs and then taking longer as you make your way into Massachusetts. But let's start off on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, because we picked up an inch and a half of rain just since 4 this morning in some parts of Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, as this very heavy rain has continued to move through. I mean, still even in Rhode Island, lots of dark greens and flecks of yellow, but the very intense rain that made its way across Rhode Island here between, say, 4 and 6 o'clock in the morning is now sitting over eastern Massachusetts, and the heavier rain that's now across the Ocean State, while heavy, not quite as intense. We are going to be seeing improvements through the late morning. This steady heavy rain moves out, and other than some spotty showers returning to the area, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, the worst of this should be over with. Here's our weather alert. Flood watch continues into this afternoon. Potential 1 to 3 inches of rain. We're seeing some of those totals now over 2 inches in the last 24 hours. Smithfield, westerly, almost 2 inches of rain in Providence, about 1.5 inches being reported right now in Newport. And the rain continues to fall in Providence. What a tough morning to be out and about. 57 degrees. The temperatures have been on the rise this morning across southern New England, with a south wind at 23 miles an hour, bringing in that milder air. It has not made it into the Boston area just yet. That warm front sitting right to the south of the city of Boston. And once we get this front again lifting further to the north, showers become spottier as we look south and west of us. Cold front still sitting pretty far back to our west. That doesn't come through until tonight, so out ahead of it we may see some fog at the coastline and some scattered showers developing or returning to the area. So this is 9 o'clock in the morning. That steady rain continuing to push to the east. Notice the showers that continue to fire up, especially near the coastline at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Still a lot of clouds around, but some breaks in the cloud cover possible. 7 o'clock in the evening, a couple isolated showers and thunderstorms even possible this evening. First part of the night looks still cloudy with some fog, maybe a stray shower, and then we finally clear out. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning should be mostly sunny skies, and that'll stick around into the afternoon on Friday with a mix of clouds and sun. Futurecast for this morning, we're back up to near 60 by 9 o'clock. That steady rain ending, very breezy. In the afternoon, clouds, a little peak of sun here and there, but a few showers still. Southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles an hour, and we're talking a 20-degree temperature warm up from what we had yesterday afternoon. And then tonight down to about 53, early clouds and a shower, then clearing out, mild and dry. Here's one more look at that radar, and again, still pretty tough going across most of our area. 7-day futurecast. So from the upper 60s today, with some unsettled weather continuing into the afternoon, to drier conditions on Friday, a high near 68. Saturday, mix of sun and clouds. Can't rule out a stray sprinkle on Saturday. Better chance of a passing shower or thunderstorm on Sunday. A little bit cooler too on Sunday afternoon near 63. Not a washout for the Aquidneck Island Police Parade, but you'll want to make sure to have rain gear with you. Noontime temperature right around 60 degrees, and we'll stay in that 60-65 degree range.